What's up, guys? This is Brad from Impact Props, and today I want to kind of go over with you guys how I do my undersuits and my meshing. That's probably my number one question that I get on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So this is what it's gonna be like. This is exactly what it's gonna look like when it's finished. So right now, if you can't tell, it's a shoulder blade, and it's gonna be going. Sorry. This isn't fitting. Alright, there you go. It's going to be sitting more or less like that. Okay? So, this is going to be painted blue. So, that's a really cool part about this is you can actually paint it and it'll look good. So, the first step that you guys are going to do, okay, kind of move this a little bit, is kind of set it out and draw probably an inch around, and then just trace it with a silver Sharpie or something on the mesh, whatever you want. Cut it out, and then start gluing it in probably the three top places: so the bottom, the top, and then the side. So it's what I did here. It's exactly what I did, and it can, as you can notice, it can go over the part that you don't want covered in mesh. This little shoulder blade part won't be covered in mesh in the end. And then what you're going to want to start doing is from these points, actually first you're going to want to attach it along the edges, kind of along the straight edges. Then when you're done with that, probably at this jagged line, you're going to want to cut right there, and then start little by little wrapping it around. As you can see, all these lines that are up here, you can kind of push them a little bit together to get that out, so it kind of rounds out the whole entire shoulder. And when you're done with that, you'll have a finished product like this. Before you have a finished product like this, you're going to have it stretched out. You're going to have all the sides down, and you're going to have it stretched out. Then what you're going to want to do is along the edges, along the details exactly where you want them, you're going to just do probably an inch of hot glue at a time, and wet your finger or something and just kind of go over the hot glue until it's hard. And that's something that I do because my fingers tips are pretty much numb now because of burning them so many times. So I wouldn't recommend you do that if you're just starting out using hot glue. But that's something that I do. It's just a personal thing. And so this took me probably about an hour to do, putting the mesh down. So it really does take a while, especially when you have all these details that you want to add and have stand out. Now it is a little bit rough around here, as you can see, but when it's painted, it won't look nearly as rough with the hot glue, and a lot of the hot glue strings will come off and all that jazz. So yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to show you guys today. So thanks for watching, and I'll have a few more videos for you guys coming up soon.